Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. So let's see your recent past Sagittarius. Sagittarius, your recent past. So let's see your recent past. 10 of Cups, 2 of Swords, 8 of Wands. I think one person is at some crossroads in past. Definitely there is some communication between both of you, you and your person. I think you both could be happy in past. I think one person is married, already have kids. But one person in this connection is at some crossroads, not making decision. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Sagittarius. What is going on your connection right now? Four of Wands. Six of Pentacles. Wow. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Four of Wands. This could be twin flame. You both could be twin flames. And Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take, but now there is equal give and take in relationship, definitely, because in past there is no equal give and take. Wheel of Fortune. Definitely things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune. It is very good sign. It is very, very positive reading, Sagittarius. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, as Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Definitely things are turning in your favor, because Jupiter is in your house right now. Flowering. Queen of Pentacles. Experience. Three of Wands. Experiencing. Receptivity. Queen of Cups. I think there is a lot of healing is going in your connection right now, because flowering and means Queen of Pentacles. I think you hold your pentacle and experience Three of Wands, something waiting. This could be long distance relationship also. Your person is waiting to come towards you. I think they are waiting for right moment. Those who are in separation, those who are in not separation, I think your person want to take this relationship to next level, because Queen receptivity means Queen of Cups. Definitely your person have lot of emotions for you. They want to share their love to you. And the Three of Wands, experiencing means Three of Wands, waiting, long distance relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Sagittarius. Trust. Yes. Knight of Cups. You have to trust the process. Definitely your person want to come towards you and offer this cup of love to you. The Rebel means Emperor. Yes, your person wants to commit to you. Emperor is very good man. And playfulness means Page of Wands. Yes, communication. Your person want to communicate. I think your person may be popular, good looking and handsome. Silence. The Star. Yes, definitely there is a hope for this connection. I think this connection has bright future, because the Star, your person could be Aquarius. Definitely your person want to offer commitment to you. They want to offer stable offer. It is coming, but it is slow, because the Knight of Cups is slow moving, but it is coming, because they are waiting for the right moment to come towards you. They have a lot of emotions for you. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.